New voices are being heard. Girls are growing in confidence and bringing positive change to their lives and their communities. Around the world, CARE helps girls access education and develop their potential. Together, we are breaking down barriers that keep girls from participating and achieving.
Traditionally, girls are socialized to be good wives. They are not expected to express themselves in public places or in meetings. Their mobility is highly limited. They have to ask for permission. They are not expected to be doing things like sports. But thanks to education, things are changing, especially education programs that involve empowerment activities.
Empowerment. When girls have the skills and confidence to succeed, when families and communities support them, societies can be transformed. CARE works to improve schools and promote access to learning for non-traditional students who have dropped out, never enrolled, or have married early.
Attitudes definitely change and have been changing. And we've seen in the communities they're demanding education and they're sending their children to school. We came up with an accelerated learning approach called UDAN, which means Flight for Girls, wherein the girls were taken through a learning program in 11 months' time and were able to finish primary schooling in 11 months.
CARE helps girls broaden their horizons through field trips, mentorship programs, and bringing women role models into marginalized communities.
CARE is also doing some role modeling for the girls. We are building female teachers' houses so that a female teacher can come and live in the rural areas where there literally are no female teachers and they're only male. Girls don't have somebody to look up to. We're bringing in male teachers in the very rural areas of Malawi.
When girls stay in school, they can avoid early marriage that threatens their long-term opportunities, health, and even lives.
Por parte de la cultura de esas comunidades era que las niñas deberían de educarse, pero para ser madres, para estar en el hogar, pero no para estudiar. La prioridad eran los varones para ir a la escuela. Las niñas en ese tiempo se casaban a los 12 o 14 años. Para los padres, una niña de 16 años, ellos decían, ya está vieja, o como madura es la frase. El trabajo consistió en cambiar esa parte.
On visite les lieux, on peut voir beaucoup de filles qui ont 15 à 14 ans qui ont des enfants parce qu'ils sont obligés de chercher quoi manger en recourant au rapport sexuel, malheureusement.
CARE helps communities create safe environments and challenge attitudes that prevent girls' access and right to education.
CARE is looking at getting communities to understand the socio-cultural issues that stop girls from actually retaining and then completing school. We know that things will change if we continue to work with community leaders, because they are mostly the custodians of these customs and traditions.
In communities where CARE works, men and boys are increasingly appreciating the value of girls. And we see boys helping girls with household chores so that their sisters have time to study.
At the beginning, boys were very hesitant to not only give up their free time, but also to do chores that are seen as girls' jobs in the community. But when the whole village, the whole community started to have a different look on it, they could actually see that girls were going more to school and they felt good about that. Yeah. But it is a very slow process.
We believe that if you want to really mainstream impact, it has to happen through the government. And our education program primarily is working with the formal school system. So we try and address the entire gamut of the process by which education services are provided.
One of our advocacy agenda is to influence the government to change that practice of expelling pregnant girls without readmission. So our concern is to get opportunity for influencing the law to get these girls readmitted after giving birth.
The most powerful voices for change come from girls and women themselves. CARE helps form solidarity groups. Members of such groups support each other through activities that help them save, earn and access healthcare, and even address child marriage. The bonds that they form help them stand together on behalf of the rights for everyone.
L'empowerment, ça nous a permis et ça continue à permettre de donner une confiance, de créer une confiance et de renforcer cette confiance-là. Pouvoir accompagner les femmes, les amener petit à petit vers le même niveau que les hommes.
Girls still face many challenges on the road to equality. CARE stands with them as they learn, grow, lead the way to a better future at home, in the classroom, and beyond.